Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss problems on exercise 3.1. In the previous video, we have seen introduction to polynomials. In this session, we are going to discuss different type of problems on polynomials. Dear students, don't miss the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button. As well as you can go with playlist also. Let us see exercise 3.1 first problem. In P of x equals 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. What is the first one? Coefficient of x power 5. Second one, degree of P of x. Third one, constant term. So in this P of x given polynomial 2, we need to find coefficient of x power 5, we need to find degree of the polynomial also we need to find. In the polynomial, what is the constant term? So see here the solution. First one, coefficient of x power 5. Coefficient of x power 5 equal. So here, what is the, in this term you have to check it. So this is the x power 5 means minus 6x power 5. So what is the coefficient of x power 5? This minus 6. Must and should we need to write the sign also. So the coefficient of x power 5 equal to minus 6. Next, degree of P of x. So what is degree? In the given polynomial, highest power is called degree. So here the variables powers we need to check. Here variable is x, power is 7. Variable x, power is 5. Variable x, power 1. Means highest power it is 7. So the degree of P of x equal to 7. Next, third one, constant term. So in the given polynomial, what is the constant term? So we need to find the constant. It is the 5 is coefficient of x power 7, minus 6 is coefficient of x power 5, 7 is coefficient of x. Here only single one, that is minus 6. That is the constant term. So constant term equal minus 6. We need to write must and should the sign. Next problem. Question number 2. State which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give reasons for your choice. So in that first one, so the degree of the polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. So here they asked here degree of the polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. So here root 2 is the coefficient of x square. But here what is given? Degree of the polynomial is root 2 is given. Means the statement is false. So reason, so the degree of the polynomial is highest power we need to take, that is 2. So the degree of P of x equal, that is 2. Second question answer. Next, the coefficient of x square in the polynomial P of x equal 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. So here in the polynomial we need to find the coefficient of x square. So first we need to check coefficient of x square term, we have to check it. So it is the x square term. So x square coefficient is here minus 4. But here what they are given? 2 is given. Means the statement is false statement. So the coefficient of x square equal -4. Next, third one, it is the degree of constant term is 0. So every constant term degree is 0 or not. So it is the true statement. So you can write the conclusion. Every constant polynomial degree is 0. Next, fourth solution. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. 1 by something, the variable in the denominator means it is not the polynomial. First of all, it is not the polynomial, but here it is given quadratic polynomial is given, means it is also false. So because it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Next, fifth one, the degree of the polynomial is more than the number of terms on it. So here degree of the polynomial is more than the number of terms. So degree is not depending upon the number of terms. So degree means we need to take the variable's highest power we need to take. Means it is also false statements. False. Why it is false? The degree is not dependent on the number of terms. The degree is not depend on the number of terms. Next upcoming video, we will focus on different type of problems on polynomials. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends and family members as much as possible. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.